Good morning, children. Today, let us study about the sectors of the Indian economy. Have you seen people engaged in various economic activities? How do we understand these activities? How are these classified? In this picture, you can see that people engaged in various economic activities. Fishermen, then you can see worker engaged in handloom weaving, Then you can see that people engaged in banking activities. So the different sectors you can see. Can you recognize the sector in which they are employed? Do these activities have any role in the development of an economy? So here the classification of human activity is done on the basis of various criteria. Today in this chapter we are going to discuss about various sectors of activities. So let us study about the sectors of economic activities. Sectors of economic activities. Which are the three sectors? Primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector are the three sectors of Indian economy. Primary sector includes the agriculture and allied occupation related occupation we can call it as primary sector. What is secondary sector? Secondary sector includes industrial sector that we can call it as industrial sector or the activities based on industries. And the third sector, that is tertiary sector. All the service sectors we can call it as tertiary sector. So you know that there are three types of sectors are here. Which are the three types of sectors? Primary sector, fishing, agriculture, mining, these are all primary sector. Secondary sector, industrial sector, and the service, banking and other activities, that is the tertiary sector. These are the three sectors you can see. Which are the three sectors? Primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. These are the three sectors of Indian economy. Majority of the people engaged in which sector? Primary sector, agriculture and allied occupation. Agriculture has been considered as the backbone of Indian economy.